What's up, people? Hope you're doing well. Mid Money Trader here. And today we have an SMMA video, which I know you guys are wanting to see. Most of my subscribers are SMMA people. And so I hope we can bring you some value with the SMMA. So I put a poll on my Instagram last night about which video you guys wanted me to film early this week. And it was close. It was close between how to sign your first client with ease and, if I had to start SMMA all over again, what would I do? Which I suppose would be a longer video. So just about the majority chose how to sign your clients. So that's what we'll be getting into today. How to sign your first few clients and even just clients in general with ease, make it a walk in the park. Couple admin points. The only thing this week actually is I made an Instagram. A lot of you guys were asking how you can contact me, how you can ask questions, and just like-minded people. Iron sharpens iron. If you guys want to follow me, be greatly appreciated. It's at Mid Money Trader, all lowercase. I just post my life, trading, SMMA, all three. So yeah, if you wish, that's once again at Mid Money Trader. So yeah, let's get cracking into it. So signing your clients, it is probably one of the scariest parts of beginning an SMMA, I would say. It's what a lot of the new people dread, especially if you're a bit more of an introvert. Like myself, I would consider myself an introvert. I can do extroverted activities. I like going out and socializing, but I think deep down, I am 100% more a trader, if I'm being honest. No, sorry. Oh my God, not a trader. 100% more of an introvert. The trading, it's just alone. I like sitting at home chilling. I do a lot of introverted things. And so reaching out to clients does scare me a little bit, or it used to anyway. Not so much anymore, which is what I'll share with you. So, yes, so you have maybe potentially created your website. You've looked into niches. You've in-depth studied SMMA and you know the general gist of it. Or you could be starting with contractors, you don't have to know as much, but I would always recommend to have a basic general understanding of what you're doing, because then you look more professional, you know what to ask, you know what to say if you ask questions, and if you ever need to step in to help out, you can. But that being said, contractors is a great way to scale. So yeah, you've done all those things, and now it's time to find your first client. You're thinking, shit, I'm scared shitless, and that's okay. Guys, honestly, this is like my agency, what I'm doing, this is a first for me. I had not a clue in the world. So I have like four or five tips, I would say. So this is mainly aimed at the beginners, for those people starting. So number one, local area. Simple as that. Your first clients, they should be your local area. And I know that does depend on the niche you chose. For me, I don't personally have a niche. I don't mind. I'm more based on the client rather than niche. If I like the client, I'd work with the client. If I don't, you don't work with them. Simple as that. But yeah, so local area. I live in a pretty small to medium sized country town. And there's just lots of high street businesses. There is lots of businesses, which I'm lucky, but I'm pretty sure most people live near a town, and there will obviously be businesses in the town. So that's what I recommend you guys. It's a lot easier to go in person. This also eliminates the cold calling aspect, which, because you're substituting cold calling for meetings in person. And for a lot of people, that might be worse, but I found for me, I don't really want the awkwardness of cold calling. I'd rather speak in person and meet them. Eye contact. I can radiate my confidence, and I feel like that just works a treat. So I much prefer meeting in person. And if you're doing your local town, you can regularly meet. They can see you and know who that you're working with, which also helps them trust you if you're actually meeting in person, because it's all about the client trusting you. That's a big part. So if they trust you, they're more likely to sign with you. So local. The second thing which intertwines with that is this is purely for beginners. Your first 1 or 2 clients, do it for free. And I know that sounds painful, guys, but you know, it is what it is. We're not in it for money. This video is not about money. We're in it for clients. You ask me, how do we get clients? It's simple as that. Give them an incentive, you know, give them a decision where they would be stupid to not take it, you know. Offer the first 1 or 2 clients for free, so your service is for free. With that being said, I recommend not paying for ad spend yourself. I think the client should always pay for the ad spend, depending on how much they want to spend. So yeah, so offer your service for free. So we're not getting any money for the first 2 clients, but the experience you get from that is vital. It is vital experience, and not only that, they will review you, they will recommend you, which you can use as leverage to sign more and more clients. The first client is probably, no, fuck that. The first client is the hardest to sign. After that, it just comes naturally. You get more and more and more. It becomes easier to you. It's great. So yeah. And then after that, it's similar. After your first 2 clients, you've got the experience, you've got the good reviews, you've got leverage, you're signing more clients, but some may decline you, some may not. But now we're not offering our service for free, we're charging money. Money sways people's minds a lot. And so if the client has a safety net, or a mental safety net that they think of, it will help them sign with you. So I'm talking about guarantees. So in your proposal, I would always have a guarantee, like, so my service is £500 a month to gain you this amount of new leads. I'll guarantee that I get you this amount of new leads. If I don't get this amount of new leads, or for whatever reason this campaign flops, you'll get all your service fee back. Don't pay the ad spend back, obviously, because that's the client's expense. But I'll give you all the service fee back. You'll get that £500 back. Or you can carry on offering your service for free. You'll say, I'll do it the first month for free. If we hit a certain amount of new leads, you reimburse that fund and you get paid, you know. It's just either guaranteeing payment at the start or the end of the month. It really doesn't matter. Whichever you guys want to do, whichever fits your personality and has less risk, you know. And the most important point, I would argue, actually, is to work on yourself. I haven't heard like any gurus talk about this. I think this is a very important thing. Because what is cold calling? What is gaining clients? Is speaking. It's going out of your shell and just taking that leap. And you need confidence for that. And I figured if you're not a natural extrovert, the only way you can get confidence is working on yourself. You know, becoming the most powerful version of yourself. So working out will give you confidence. Practicing speaking, practicing public speaking will give you confidence. Eating really well, you know, getting active, going running, it all boosts your confidence. And you might not think it. You might think, oh, well, fuck it, I'm going to eat shit. But no, that generally will affect your confidence. I'm telling you guys, this is 100% fact. And I tell you to do all these things. You know, I preach all these good things. Go running, go eating, read, meditate, you know, work out, do any of these things. You will feel so much better. You'll feel so much better in yourself. You'll feel on top of the world. You'll feel like you'll be able to speak to whatever client and sign in 100%. So when you're in these meetings, whether it's Zoom or in person, it doesn't matter. Speak with confidence. You know, look them in the eye, speak with confidence, and they are 100% more likely to sign with you. So that's it from me, guys, today. That is four or five of my big tips for beginners, especially to sign their first couple clients, because I know the first couple are the hardest, with no doubt about that. So yeah, I'd really appreciate if you guys drop a comment and like. It honestly really fires me up. My last SMMA video did really well compared to my other videos, and that really gets me up. So yeah, remember to follow my Instagram at midmoneytrader, and I hope you guys have a great day. Yeah, see you later.